Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video, I am going to show you how you can earn $500 per day from Clickbank. Many people are thinking of making money from the Clickbank and they do not know how to take a start. In this video, not only I am going to show you how you can take your journey with the Clickbank, but also how you can earn $500 per day from Clickbank. Before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to know from where I have learned all those concepts, I have placed that program link in my description box below. If you wanted to get the insight about this program, please click that link and you can join this system for free. This is my number one recommended system out there. So let's start with the today's video. This is just my calculation, and using this calculation you can just get the idea about how much effort you have to put in to reach that target of $500 per day. Target $500 per day, average product price. Let's suppose you have chosen an affiliate product that offers an affiliate commission of $100. Average product price or average product commission is actually a commission, $100, and number of products to be sold, $500 divided by $100 is equal to 5. So you have to sell 5 units a day in order to reach $500 a day. If you are selling a product that offers you a commission of $250, then you only have to sell 2 products a day. Traffic conversion approximately 2%. As per my experience, nearly 3% to 5% people are actually converting from visitors to customers. But for the sake of this example, I have just taken this figure for 2%. And you may get higher percentage than this, but it is all up to you and all creation of your funnel, how much you have optimized your funnel. But with the passage of time, once you split test your funnel, you can improve your conversion rate a great deal. Number of visitors required. So 5 products you have to sell divided by 2% is equal to 250 visitors required daily. I hope you get the idea. In order to earn $500 per day, and let's suppose you are selling or making $100 on each sale, then you have to get 250 visitors a day. Even there are some products that on the Clickbank you can find that can offer you above $400 for selling each product. And if I just take you to the Clickbank is a platform where you find a lot of affiliate products, and it's a great platform to join because it is a free, unlike other CPA networks which require you a preliminary interview and other procedure. But here you can just join Clickbank for free. Click on create account and you can create your account for free. After creating your account, just move to the affiliate marketplace. On the left hand side, you are seeing different categories out there. These are actually niches. I recommend you to start your journey either from the e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, or parenting and families. The reason for choosing these types of niches are that there are tons of products out there in each category. If you have an interest in e-business and e-marketing, then choose this one. If you have an interest in health and fitness, go for this niche. Or if you have an interest in parenting and families, then go for this niche. Apart from these 3 niches, there are other niches as well, like self-help, languages, green products, business investing. These are all some good niches, but the core of the Clickbank are only 3 niches: e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, and parenting and families. Let's suppose I select this niche, e-business and e-marketing, because I know a lot about this niche. It is actually a make money niche. I have a knowledge and I have a lot of interest about this niche. After clicking on e-business and e-marketing, just sort those results using different parameters. I generally prefer to sort those results using gravity. Gravity is a number which tells us that how many affiliates have sold that product in the last 3 months. If this product has a gravity of 90, it means 90 affiliates have sold this product in the last 3 months. And this is the amount or the average commission you will earn after selling this product. I recommend you to go for the product that has a gravity of at least 40 and that offers you at least $70 to $80 commission at least. So just going to show you different products. Let's suppose if I look at this product, super affiliate system, you are seeing that this product offers you an average commission of $483 and it has a gravity of 50. So this product perfectly fits our criteria. Now you can see that average percentage per sale, this product offers you the 50% commission. So you can imagine that this product is selling for nearly $1,000. And if you're selling for high price item, then you can see lesser conversion rate than I have just shown you in the example, because this is a pricey item and many people wouldn't have the budget to go for that product. But all you need is to sell a single product a day in order to reach your objective, that is $500 per day, because the product average dollar per sale is very close to the $500, that is $483. And if you just go through other products, then this is also a good product, the CP passive income. It has a gravity of 43 and it offers you $188 average commission after selling each of this product. Now after just selecting your product on the Clickbank, I just recommend you to just search those products on Google. Let's suppose you have selected this product, super affiliate system. Just go to Google and search for super affiliate system review. Just read or go through those top 10 reviews and see what people are talking about these products. If people are making a positive or building a positive image about this product, then this product is great to promote. This is called brand reputation. If you just promote some product that has a negative brand reputation, then you wouldn't be able to sell that product to your people, to your visitors. Because generally if you just promote this product to other people generally move to the Google and they search that product and they look for reviews on the first page of the Google. If somehow they find the negative reviews, then you wouldn't be able to sell that product to your customers, to your visitors. That's why I am recommending you to promote that product or promote those products that has a positive brand reputation. Now after selecting your product, just going to show you a different steps here. In step 1, choose a Clickbank product. I have just shown you an example how you can choose a product from the Clickbank. In step 2, create your funnel. In funnel, these are all 4-5 steps, like creating a landing page, setting up your autoresponder, creating a PDF ebook, and creating your email series and add those email series in your autoresponder. For landing page, I recommend you to just buy a generic domain name. Like if you are working on a make money niche, then just go for the generic domain name from the Namecheap. You can buy a good domain name from the Namecheap and should be have a generic domain name. Like if you wanted to add further products in your sub pages, then you can easily add those pages in your domain name. If you buy an exact match domain name, then it would be difficult for you to add another product in your website. That's why just buy a generic domain name on the Namecheap, and after that host your domain in a Bluehost. There are different hosting servers out there, but I recommend you to go for the Bluehost. I will put Bluehost link in my description box. If you wanted to buy through that link, then you can buy Bluehost subscription from my link that I will place in the description box. For autoresponder, I recommend you to go for the Get response. I am using this autoresponder and it offers you much more value than any other autoresponder out there in the market. The big competitor of Get Response is Aweber, but I recommend you to go for the Get Response because I have worked on this Get Response and I am currently also working on the Get Response, and I know that they offer you much more value than any other autoresponder. PDF ebook. This is the ebook that you will provide to your visitors when they land on your landing page, and in return for their email address you will provide them PDF ebooks. Like, you will provide them PDF ebooks and in return they will give you their email IDs, and that will be stored in your autoresponder. And from email IDs you can then send them pre-written emails that you have already embedded or added in your autoresponder. You can create PDF ebook for free. All you have to write a 4,000 words article on MS Word, and after creating an article on MS Word you can just convert that MS Word article into the PDF format. After that you can upload that PDF file in your hosting server, and from where people, if they provide you the email ID, they can download that PDF guide for free. And for email series, you can create your email series 7 days, 14 days or 21 days for free. Or if you just go through some of the affiliate products, then you can find different email swipes that will be provided by the vendor. Just like if you just go through the super affiliate system, then you can, if you go through their affiliate page, then there's a chance that you will get email swipes for free. Otherwise, if the vendor will not provide you the email swipes, then you can create your own email swipes, and I recommend you to create at least 14 days email swipes, and that's how you can convert. If you just follow your visitors 14 days, one day after the another, then there is a chance that those subscribers will convert from subscriber to visitors after 7 to 8 days. And if you just go through this page, that this is the JV page, there's a chance that you will get email swipes from this page. However, it is not compulsory. Some vendors will, this is example webinar email swipes, and you are seeing that pre-webinar email swipes. All you need is to copy that email swipes and paste that email swipes in your autoresponder, and you are good to go. This is just a summary video about how to do these types of things. I will create a separate video on landing page, how to create a landing page, how to set up your autoresponder, how to create your PDF guide, and how to add email series in your autoresponder. For the purpose of this video, just you are getting an idea about how to set up your funnel. And now let's move to the step 3, drive traffic to your landing page. Now you have set up all your landing page and autoresponder and completed your funnel. It's time to send traffic to your landing page. And if you send traffic to your landing page, there's a chance that you get emails from your visitors, and after providing that email guide, and then autoresponder will send them those email series, and you have a chance to convert your visitors into customers. There are different ways to drive traffic to your landing page, free ones and the paid ones. I recommend you to start your journey with the free ones. With free traffic, you can use the Google method, you can use the YouTube method, and the social media method. For social media, I recommend you to choose the Pinterest strategy. If you just go through my Pinterest videos, then you will get tons of user information how you can generate tons of traffic from Pinterest. Just follow those guidelines about that I have mentioned in the Pinterest video, and then you will start seeing some good traffic growth over the period of time, and you will start seeing hundreds of daily visitors from Pinterest. Alone, you can generate hundreds of visitors from Pinterest, but free traffic takes time. If you wanted to get early results, I recommend you to go for the paid traffic methods, and in paid traffic method, you can use for the Google ads, Bing ads, Pinterest ads, and Instagram ads. There are a lot of other paid methods out there, but it is up to you whether you go for the free ones or the paid ones. But paid ones will give you much early results than the free ones. Now, once you've set up your funnel, you are getting traffic from the free and the paid traffic methods. Then there is a chance that you will start getting conversion, and when you start getting conversion, you have a chance to use that money to again fuel your funnel, and that's how you can scale your business up. Once you start getting good conversion, then you can rinse and repeat this process by earning money from your funnel and then reinvesting your money into your funnel, and that's how you can enhance your chances of success. This is the video for you. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.